Hello everyone, my name is Ada. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to copy Instagram page link, or you can as well call it profile page link. And I'm going to be showing this in two ways how you can copy your page link or profile page link on Instagram. So if that sounds like what you're interested in, continue watching. Okay guys, the first method we are going to use is the browser method, and we are using the Google Chrome browser. You tap on the Google Chrome browser on your Android device. So once you tap on it, you go to the address bar here and type in instagram.com/your username. You should have your username in mind, / your username, then you go here and click on this search button here. Click on the one that has search button, then you tap on it. As you guys can see, it has taken us to a Google page. What you're going to do is to go here, see what you're looking for. Okay, you search, this is what you're looking for, you tap on it. Then it takes us directly to the page. For you to copy the profile URL, you go to these three dotted lines here, then you tap on it, and here you get to find the profile URL. Copy profile URL, you tap on it. Link copied. Okay, the link is copied. So if you paste this link anywhere, okay, anywhere, it will take you directly to your profile page like this. Okay, or if somebody clicks on the link, if you send the link to somebody, okay, once the person clicks on the link, it's still going to take the person to your profile page. This is the first method on how you can copy your Instagram page link using the browser method. So let's use the app method. So for us to use the second method, we're going to use the app method. Okay, you're going to make sure you have Instagram app on your phone, and this is my Instagram app. Okay, and secondly, you're going to have more than one account. You can have up to like 5 different accounts on Instagram. So for this to work using your app, you're going to have more than one account. So the next thing you're going to do is to tap on the Instagram app here. So depending on the particular page or particular URL or page URL you're looking for, okay, I still want to go for that very first one. This is my second account. Okay, so I'm using a second account. We're going to use the second account to get the URL of or page URL of the first account I showed you guys using the browser method. Okay, so what you're going to do is to go to the search bar here and search for your username. Remember, I said you must have more than one account for you to be able to use the app method. So this is my second account, and I want to copy the URL page URL of the first account I showed you guys. Okay, so what you're going to do is to, on this search button, you tap on it. So once you tap on it, you're going to type your username. You should have your username in mind. You're going to type your username here. Okay, so mine is Adas_recipe. So once you tap on it, is the first thing here. So you tap on it, then it will take us directly to our page. So this is the page using the app method. The first one was the browser method, and this is the app method. So once you get to the page, you still go here and tap on this three dotted line. Okay, then you go to your page URL, then you copy your profile URL. So let's copy, link copied. So anywhere you post this link, is going to take the person, or is going to automatically show the page. Okay, so that's basically the two ways through which you can copy your profile or Instagram profile URL. You can send it to persons you want. You can put it on your Facebook profile. Okay, you can paste it anywhere you want. Okay, just want to show you guys something. Okay, so let's go to WhatsApp. This is WhatsApp here. So you can just send the link to anybody on your WhatsApp page. Okay, so let me just choose one person and send my link. Okay, let me send my link. So my hobby. Okay, so I just tap and hold. Once I tap and hold, I'll see paste. Okay, so this is the link. So this is the link we copied. Okay, so this is the link we copied. I'm sending it to someone. Hope you guys are seeing this is the link. So it's highlighted here. So I'm going to tap on this so you guys see where it will take us to. I've tapped on it. It has taken us to our page. Okay, that same page we copied the link from. So that's basically how you can copy your Instagram profile URL to anywhere you want to copy it. So once anyone clicks on it, it takes the person to your page, and you can gain followers by doing so. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like this video, share, and as well subscribe. And I hope you've learned one or two things. So see you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.